What are you eating?
What is that? Whoa, is that a marshmallow?
Yeah, what are you eating?
Whoa, that's pure sugar. Can I have the M&M off of your marshmallow?
Yeah.
Mmm.
What are you having?
Whoa, there's a lot of M&Ms on there. You got gumdrops. You got, oh, these are mints probably, right? You don't like mints?
You can have them.
That's probably minty too, I bet. The candy cane. What is this? Is it a cookie? It's a unicorn cookie? Whoa. That's so cool. What is this supposed to be? Was what was keeping up the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
All that frosting? Oh, is this an ice cream cone? What's inside the ice cream cone? Nothing is empty? Is that coconut on it?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Whoa, look at all that frosting it is. How's the marshmallow?
Good.
Can I try a bite? Mmm, yum.
Not too much sugar. I don't know how much she's eating, but
Just a marshmallow. Mmm, it's tasty, a little crunchy.
try M&M.
And it's coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut's good. Ice cream cone.
Oh, that's great. Allie, did you tell Mom who came home today?
Who came home today?
Who at school came home?
Oh, Gingy? Did Gingy come home? From all his travels? Is it a girl or a boy?
A boy. Can you eat all of that?
I'm gonna eat that. Oh, do you not like the coconut part?
No.
Oh. I like the coconut
Hey,
part.
Allie, when I was a kid, I didn't like coconut either, but when I grew up, I liked it. So it
Yeah,
changed.
same with me. Too much frosting.
What do gumdrops taste like?
Oh, you should taste the gumdrops. They're kind of chewy and kind of a little bit like jelly beans. You just recently had jelly beans, didn't you?
Who put the sprinkles on there?
I did.
Mmm.
Do you want some marshmallow?
I'll try it. Well, you go ahead. You go ahead and maybe
sure?
save me a bite.
Okay.
There's coconut on it.
It's too much sugar for me. Good.
This is a path.
Is there a pad for the Gingy?
Yeah.
So cute. Let's try it. Little path. Little gingerbread house path. Very cool, Ellie. Good job. What's your favorite part about the gingerbread house? Is it the unicorn? Is that yummy?